today's video is I'm going to share with you all how to condition and clean your leather couch there. So yes, I have my leather couch there that I never condition. So today I'm going to show you all how to do it using a coconut oil. So we don't need to spend money to buy some leather cleaner or conditioner. If you have something in your kitchen that we can use, we can do it. And today I'm going to try it. So here guys, this is my couch looks like, and as you all can see, it really needs to be conditioned, and this also will help me clean everything, all the dirt that, as you can see here, has some spot, like a white spot. Of course, when you have a kid, you know, we cannot help but this stuff can happen. But anyway, this coconut oil will going to help us back this one to life and make this shiny again. And yes, so let's see if that will work onto here. So yes, as you all can see, that's how it looks like. So let's go start this. So here guys, I put some in this lid and it's already ready. I microwaved it, and I have my microfiber towel here that I'm going to use, and let's go start it. So finally guys, I'm already done cleaning and conditioning my leather couch. So you can see the before and after, and as you can see, it's very shiny and clean. And I used two microfiber to wipe it and of course to dry it up. If you have any idea guys how to clean the couches, especially this kind of leather, let me know down in your comments. And yes, I wanted to hear from you. And again, thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and join in our latest giveaway. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye!